Once you have installed cable or strap on your Dutton-Lainson brake, pulling, or worm gear winch, your next consideration is which direction it should come off of your winch. Does it matter if it extends to your load back across the length of your winch, off the top of the reel perpendicular to the winch, or directly off the reel end of the winch? The answer is yes, it absolutely matters. Your installed cable or strap should always go directly off the reel end towards your load and never back across the length of your winch. Mounting your winch in this incorrect way could cause the cable or strap to rub against your winch's base, drive shaft, or spacers while it is connected to a heavy load and being operated. Not only would this affect the operation of the winch, it will eventually wear out the cable or strap until it snaps, or, even worse, wear out one or more of these vital metal parts until it breaks, which could result in catastrophic damage to your winch, your load, people around you, or you yourself. You should also never mount your winch so its cable or strap goes straight off the top of the winch like you see here, as this increases the risk of damaging the winch base. Because of these dangerous risks, you should always mount your winch so its installed cable or strap goes directly off the reel end of the winch away from any of its other parts, never back across the length of your winch or off the top of it. One last thing, this video is not answering another frequently asked question we receive about if cable or strap should come off the top of the winch's reel or the bottom of it between the reel and the base. The answer to that question is also important, but varies by winch model, while the necessity to always mount your winch so its cable or strap goes directly off the reel end away from any other part on the winch does not. Thanks for watching. Select the thumbnail for the other video on proper cable and strap orientation, and please reach out if you have a topic you'd like us to cover in a future video.